Watch video to the end for full understanding and don't forget to leave your questions in the comments section. You can also check our other videos to fix your vehicle properly. Description: the p0300 code is a generic OBD2 trouble code that indicates a random or multiple cylinder misfire detected by the Engine Control Module (ECM) or Powertrain Control Module (PCM). It is typically triggered when the ECM detects that the engine cylinders are not firing properly. Symptoms: 1. Check engine light. The most common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. 2. Engine misfire. You may feel the engine misfiring, which can manifest as rough idling, hesitation, or jerking during acceleration. 3. Decreased performance. Reduced engine power and decreased fuel efficiency may also occur. 4. Potential stalling. In severe cases, the engine may stall, especially at idle or when starting. Causes. Several factors can contribute to the occurrence of a p0300 code. 1. Ignition system issues. Faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, ignition wires, or distributor components. 2. Fuel system problems. Clogged fuel injectors, low fuel pressure, or a failing fuel pump. 3. Engine mechanical issues. Low compression in one or more cylinders due to worn piston rings, valves, or head gasket problems. 4. Sensor malfunction. Faulty sensors such as the crankshaft position sensor or camshaft position sensor. 5. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the intake manifold or vacuum hoses. Diagnosis. Diagnosing a p0300 code typically involves the following steps. 1. Scan tool analysis. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve the specific trouble codes and freeze frame data. 2. Visual inspection. Inspect ignition and fuel system components for visible signs of damage or wear. 3. Testing components. Test ignition coils, spark plugs, fuel injectors, and sensors to identify faulty components. 4. Compression test. Conduct a compression test to check for issues with engine mechanical components. 5. Smoke test. Perform a smoke test to detect vacuum leaks if other causes are ruled out. Fixes. The appropriate fix for a p0300 code depends on the underlying cause identified during diagnosis. 1. Replace faulty components. Replace damaged or worn-out spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel injectors. 2. Repair ignition system. Address issues with ignition timing, wiring, or components. 3. Fuel system maintenance. Clean or replace clogged fuel injectors, check fuel pressure, and ensure proper fuel delivery. 4. Engine mechanical repairs. Address any issues found during the compression test or smoke test. 5. Reset ECM. Clear the trouble codes and reset the ECM after repairs to see if the issue persists. Other things to know about p0300 fault code. 1. While it's possible to drive with a p0300 code, prolonged driving with misfires can lead to further damage to the engine and emission system. 2. Routine maintenance, including timely replacement of spark plugs and inspection of ignition components, can prevent p0300 and related issues. 3. If diagnosis and repair seem overwhelming, seek assistance from a qualified mechanic who can use specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and fix the problem correctly. Addressing a p0300 code promptly can prevent more severe engine damage and ensure optimal vehicle performance and efficiency. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.